Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right access and context. Open Business Manager, pick the exact ad account, and make sure you are an admin. Without that, you cannot restore. Once done, go to Ads Manager Account Overview and check Activity Log or Account History to find the deleted ad ID and deletion timestamp. Make sure to copy the ad ID and note the user who deleted it, because those details determine whether automatic restore or manual recreation is possible. Now you perform the actual recovery steps and troubleshoot dependencies. In Ads Manager, filter by deleted or archived and locate the ad or ad set. If a restore option appears in the Actions menu, click it and confirm. If not, duplicate the ad or ad set to recreate it quickly, making sure you select the original creative, landing page, and targeting. Also audit related assets, saved audiences, pixels, and payment status, because missing assets are the usual reasons restores fail and campaigns stop delivering. Finish by validating performance and handling problems that block recovery. After restoring or duplicating, check the ad status. If it is in review or rejected, edit policy issues and resubmit. If it stays inactive, verify billing and pixel firing. If you cannot restore and duplication isn't viable, contact Facebook Business Support with your Business Manager ID, ad account ID, ad ID, and screenshots. That accelerates resolution. As a tip, keep screenshots and timestamps. If something still...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.